Have you ever dreamed of starting your own business or saving up for early retirement? These are examples of long-term goals. They give you a sense of direction and purpose. However, long-term goals need to be broken down into short-term goals. These short-term goals serve as stepping stones towards achieving your long-term goals. They are simpler and easier to accomplish than long-term goals. Both long-term and short-term goals motivate us to be focused and productive, but it's important to know the difference between the two and how they relate to one another. What is a long-term goal? A long-term goal is something you want to do further in the future. Long-term goals require time and planning. They're not something that you can do this week or even this year. Long-term goals usually take 12 months or more to achieve and include the completion of short-term goals. Here are examples of goals that can take several years to achieve: graduating from college, saving for retirement, and starting your own business. So what is a short-term goal? A short-term goal is something you want to do in the near future. The near future can mean today, this week, this month, or even this year. A short-term goal is something you want to accomplish soon. A short-term goal is a goal that you can achieve in 12 months or less, and examples include taking a class, buying a new TV, or writing your resume. A good way to prioritize your goals is to work backwards, so start with your long-term goal. Long-term goals are usually very meaningful and give you a sense of greater purpose. Let's take Sharon as an example. Her long-term goal was to become a marketing manager at an agency managing a team of 3 people within 5 years. Once she set her long-term goal, she did some research about her goal and set short-term goals to help her get there. Although Sharon was not in a management role, she knew she needed management experience to achieve her long-term goal. She set a short-term goal of managing a project at work with 3 other people that involved setting goals, managing budgets, leading people, and juggling multiple priorities in order for her to gain management experience by the end of next quarter. She then broke this goal down into 4 steps. The first step was to ask her boss about other projects that she could work on by August 6th. The second step was to find other volunteers to work with on the project by September 10th. The third step was to set goals and budgets for the project by September 20th. And the fourth and final step was to present project findings and next steps by November 18th. Achieving short-term goals gives you a sense of accomplishment that will help motivate you to pursue other goals. By setting and focusing on these short-term goals and realizing them, you build momentum towards achieving your long-term plans.